Hi, my name is Jazz, and welcome to Sherman Hall. This is the main lobby of Sherman Hall. Before we get started, I would like to provide you with some very important information about living here. Sherman Hall is one of our 2 graduate upper division residence halls, meaning it is reserved for sophomores through seniors and graduate students. Now that we got that out of the way, this is the main lobby of Sherman Hall. Here you can find the main lounge, the mailboxes, and the Sherman Hall front desk. The Sherman Hall front desk is here to help you. They are here to answer any questions you may have about resident halls or campus in general. They offer temporary keys, temporary iCards, and they even loan out items like board games, sports equipment, and moving carts. In the lobby area of Sherman Hall, you can find your mailboxes, primarily used for letter-size envelopes and small packages. Larger boxes and packages would be processed by the Sherman Hall front desk for you to pick up. There are 2 laundry rooms located in the basement of Sherman Hall. There's a laundry room under the 5-story section of the building and the 13-story section. Laundry costs are covered in your contract, so you don't need to worry about bringing a roll of quarters to do your laundry. You can stay in the laundry room to know when your machine is finished, or you can download the Illinois app to monitor the usage and availability of the laundry machines in your building. It is really convenient. There are 3 room types available in Sherman Hall. There's double rooms with a shared bathroom, a traditional single room with a shared bathroom, and a corner or triple suite single room with a shared bathroom. Sherman Hall mainly consists of single rooms with a shared bathroom. Let me show you. Welcome to a single room with a shared bath. Within this room, each resident gets a twin XL bed, a desk, 3 shelves, a pedestal cabinet, 3 drawer chest, and a door cube. Each Sherman Hall resident gets a microfridge to use throughout the year. A microfridge is a small microwave, refrigerator, and freezer combo appliance. Each resident also has their own lockable closet. This bed is set at the default mid-loft height. From the top of the mattress to the floor is 38 inches. And from the bottom of the bed frame to the floor provides about 28 inches of clearance. Making the space yours can feel a little overwhelming. We are here to help. On our website, you can find a giant checklist of items we recommend you bring and what to leave behind. You can find the link on our ultimate packing checklist and more about furniture dimensions in the description below. The bathroom layout in Sherman Hall is a shared suite-styled bathroom. Each bathroom contains 1 toilet, 1 sink, and 1 shower. The bathrooms are cleaned every week by our building service staff when classes are in session, except on holidays. I have 5 things you should know about being in Sherman Hall. 1. The best way to get around campus would be walking, riding a bike, or taking the bus. The main quad is about a 5-minute walk. 2. The nearest bus stop is at 4th and Chalmers. You are also near the University of Illinois Ice Arena, the Armory Building, and about 3 blocks away from the main quad. 3. The nearest dining hall would be at the Eikenberry Dining Center, located at the SDRP, along with 57 North and the Caffeinator, in case you're looking for a quick bite on your way to class. 4. Speaking of dining options, residents of Sherman Hall have access to 2 additional meal plans that differ from the undergraduate dining plans. You have the 6 Classic Meal Plan and the 6 Classic Meals with $25 dining dollars. 5. Sherman Hall stays open during the fall, winter, and spring breaks. This allows students to stay in their rooms over breaks at no additional cost. You can find out more information about Sherman Hall at the link in the description below. Thank you for watching our tour of Sherman Hall. We hope to see you on campus soon. Click here to see another tour. Come on. I know you want to click it. I could be here all day.